Welcome guys to a new video. So today you'll learn about how to create a daily inventory report with n8n. This workflow will pulse product inventory from Shopify every day. Will store the inventory snapshot in a Notion database and will send a daily summary email to your team. This is perfect for e-commerce stores, warehouses, or inventory managers who want accurate daily tracking without the manual work. So let's start the workflow. First, you have the cron trigger. Its purpose is to run automatically the workflow every day at a set time, for example, every day at 7 hours. This will start the workflow daily, ensuring your inventory report is always up to date. After that, you have the HTTP request to get the Shopify products. His purpose is to fetch your full product list with inventory levels from Shopify. Configuration. The method will be get and the URL will be your Shopify domain API products.json. His purpose, I told you, is to fetch your full product list with the inventory levels from the Shopify, and what it does will pull all the product inventory data for reporting. After that, we'll have a function node to format the data. Its purpose of this function is to transform raw Shopify data into a clean table format for Notion and email. So you see you have will return the JSON product, the product variant, and will be the product type, the product name, that it's product title, the variant title, and quantity, variant.inventory quantity. This will create a structured array of products and quantities ready for Notion and email. After that, you have the Notion node to update the inventory. As you can see, this stores the daily inventory snapshot in a Notion database. Resource will be page, operation create, database ID, or by URL you can, and the title. So you will take the product name, the variant from the function of the quantity and the date, for example. What it does, keeps a historical record of inventory levels for auditing and analysis. And finally, you have the email node with the daily summary. His purpose is to send a daily email with inventory overview to the team. So from email no reply around your company to email inventory around your company.com. Subject is this. Daily inventory report, new date to local date string. And the message is this. Hello team, here is the inventory summary for today. And the JSON. Best regard, inventory automation system. What it does, keeps your team informed automatically without manual export or reporting. So that was the tutorial for today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like it. And see you on the next video. Bye bye.